All right, you have found us again. This is Wrenching to Race. Jay, and there's John and Mark. And today is the day we put this block together and put this in this car. So we've got our work cut out for us. We're gonna disassemble everything right now and build this block back up, and hopefully by the end of today, get all these parts onto this thing and get this thing and that thing.
A lot of things.
A lot of things to do. I guess I'll set the time lapse up because we're gonna be too busy to film.
Let's get into it.
Rundown, we've cleaned a lot of old bolts basically to put in an old block that's been redone. We've got the oil pan on, we've got some pulleys on, we've got some
Clutch, flywheel.
Yep, we've got the oil filter
Clutch,
plate on.
flywheels on.
We're basically getting ready to flip the engine, put the transmission on, and we're gonna attempt to put it in the car. We're putting as few accessories on as possible as per Derek.
Yeah. The less and smaller it is, the better to get it in.
100%. I don't know if you want to put that wrench on it. No, right? That was holding it straight.
I'm gonna put it on my knees for a sec. Hold it.
I got it.
Okay. Gonna roll it.
That's fine.
All right, now we'll flip it upside down.
We gotta have something to prop it.
Let's
though.
flip it this side.
Ready?
Can it sit on the oil pan without rolling over?
Yeah, I think so.
You gotta lift it up and over.
Hold on, let me get it.
Don't lift from the oil.
Yep, there we go.
Okay. All right, that was fun.
Holy shit.
So we'll also, I think we'll put the head on after. So we're gonna put the transmission on now, and then we'll get it ready. Oh, maybe we'll put the dipstick in after,
Yeah,
so we don't bend it or anything.
it's already bent.
Not the one we're putting in.
I got a new one.
No, the one that we're putting in is the splines are all fucked.
It's a press fit. It's not splined.
It's spline, but it's you'll see.
It's just press fit.
So we are about to put the engine into the car. We've got the transmission. I don't know if you can see it. The transmission is attached to the engine. Derek and Jay are getting ready to put the chains on the engine, and we are getting ready to mount it.
Okay, so here's where we're at right now. We want to get the alternator on. Actually get the alternator bracket on. We're missing 2 bolts, 1 and 2, and we have a third, but we want to use this as our point where we're going to lift the engine hoist. We're going to pull this guy out and then use this bracket as a lifting point. I don't know where that hardware is, but we have to find it.
All right.
Okay. Is it locked? Can you tighten it? Yeah.
Yep,
Okay.
now you can pump it up.
Feels very heavy on the right side. Which side are we going into?
We're going straight in. So getting that engine mount in will be super easy. And then we'll get this one on second.
Oil's
I'm
clear.
good on my side here.
Watch your fingers that they don't get pinched anywhere, Jay.
I'm up here.
Oh,
Get
all
here
right.
too.
Down nice and slow because we're gonna guide it in now.
Okay, so I just stopped it. Get ready.
Yeah.
How much room do we have? Like a foot? 2
Not
3
even.
inches?
You have like
2 inches?
2.5, 3 inches.
3 inches. Keep
Okay,
going.
get ready. Opening it up now.
Yep.
Super slow.
And you got your mount up front in, Derek?
I do.
Hold on.
Yep, I'm off. Get ready.
All right. Stop.
All right, cool. Now we got 2
Let
in.
me just get a. I need a socket for this.
What size is that? 17?
Actually, I don't. It's going in fine. We can tighten it after the fact.
Okay, so right now we got the motor mount in. All points are tight. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna get all the solid linkage hooked up right now. The starter's in with that mount on. And then we've got accessories. We have the distributor to do, water pump to do, alternator to do. And then we can put the head on once we get all the linkage and stuff tightened up. And then, of course, the clutch cable and that stuff. So progress is being made. One of the more progress oriented days.
It's the end of the day at Cooper Motor Works. It's been a long, productive day. The engine is actually sitting in the car, and we are about to crank it over for the first time. Okay.
All right, so go ahead, turn the fuel pump on. Let's see if we have any leaks down low.
Fuel pump. Fuel pump is on.
Do you smell anything?
I farted.
You want to give it a try?
I hear it like going through the system. Shine a light on the warm-up regulator. Just make sure we're not leaking there.
Fuel pump is on. Got a half a tank of fuel.
I think we can try to turn it over. Somebody hold this. I gotta turn that thing.
I got it. Why don't I just turn it a little bit?
It's tight right now. Just hold this. Just some oil burning off.
Okay.
Well, I guess we're getting better at this, huh?
Slowly but surely.
Only thing, the real key to the success was just me not being here.
That is definitely not.
All right, so you'll have to give it a little throttle because we still haven't adjusted the idle.
I'm here. That's what I'm.
And don't forget that hole is plugged up in the back, which is.
That's what we're talking about.
Okay.
Go Start Boy.
Starboy?
Give a little more throttle. I think we're good. Let's call it and then start tuning it later.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's good. I think I'm super satisfied. And when we gave it some RPMs, it sounded fucking toasty. That's a wrap on today. It's of course later than we wanted it to be when we were leaving. Hopefully my wife won't divorce me. I think I say that every time I leave this place. We got Radley started. Mark Cooper helped a little bit with the ground wires and some pre-assembly. She's running, she sounds good.
Derek.
Some tuning work to do. Oh yeah, that guy Derek. So we're doing pretty good. We have the car pretty much ready to go. Little tuning, some bolts and nuts and some oil leaks to tighten up. And then the main focus is going to turn on this gorgeous little car. Now it doesn't look like much now, but just wait. Look at that roll cage. Look at those fans. Look at that gauge cluster. Oh boy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Please tell us everything we're doing wrong. And we love hearing from you guys because we totally don't know what we're doing. We make it up as we go along. Thanks for watching. Say goodbye. Goodbye.